The 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift continues to build on its legacy as one of the most beloved hatchbacks in the market. This new model showcases a refined design language, improved features, and a more premium feel overall. The exterior design is sleeker and sportier than ever, with a bold front grille, sharp LED headlamps, and a sculpted body that gives it a youthful, dynamic look. The rear gets redesigned LED taillights and a cleaner bumper layout, giving the car a modern finish that stands out in its segment. Inside the cabin, the Swift feels more upscale compared to previous models. The dashboard layout is intuitive and driver-focused, with a floating touch-screen infotainment system that supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay. The quality of materials has seen a noticeable improvement, and the dual-tone theme adds a refreshing vibe. The front seats are well contoured and provide ample support for city drives and highway cruising alike. Rear seat space remains adequate for 2 adults, though taller passengers might find headroom slightly limited. Under the hood, the 2025 Swift is powered by a refined 1.2L petrol engine that offers a good balance of performance and efficiency. It feels peppy in urban traffic and composed on highways, making it a versatile option for a wide range of drivers. Transmission choices include a smooth shifting manual and a more responsive ANT, which has been fine-tuned for better drivability. One of the key highlights of this model is its improved safety package, which now includes 6 airbags in top variants, ABS with B, ESP and hill hold assist. This brings the Swift more in line with global safety expectations. Fuel efficiency remains one of its strong suits, with claimed figures above 22 km/L, making it a great choice for budget-conscious users. Overall, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Swift is a well-rounded hatchback that continues to deliver on style, comfort, and value. It successfully blends practicality with fun-to-drive character, making it a solid contender in the competitive compact car space.